Hello friends, welcome to Healthy Kadhai. Today we are making vermicelli at home. These are also called as jave or sevaiya. The vermicelli which we get in the market are usually machine made, but today we are making these vermicelli or jave at home manually. And the best part is that if you store it properly, then it will stay good for as long as 1 year. Yes, you heard me right. These handmade jave are much more tastier as compared to the ready-made ones. Our grandparents used to make it, so I'm sharing the same recipe today. So let's see how to prepare it. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get regular updates of our new recipes. We have added 1/3 cup of refined flour or maida. To this we'll add 1/8 cup of semolina or suji. And now we will prepare a hard dough using little water. Do not add water in one go. Just keep on adding little water and knead the dough. Kneading the dough is the most important process to make jave or sevaiya, because if you will add more water, then the dough will become soft and we do not want too hard dough. So just add water in bits and knead dough. So friends, now you can see the dough is ready. You can see it is neither too hard nor too soft. It's just perfect. After kneading the dough, we'll allow it to rest for at least 15 to 20 minutes and then we'll knead it again. So friends, after resting the dough has become absolutely soft, and now we'll start to prepare jave. For this, take a small portion of this dough, and one can also wrap the dough in a slightly wet cloth so that it doesn't dry. Now we'll roll this portion like this. We'll try to make it as fine as possible. Just use your palms in this manner. And now we'll just take little dry flour on the plate and we'll twist it in this way. So friends, here you can see, just twist it, take little portion and drop it in plate. This is a time consuming process, but it comes out to be very tasty. Have little patience and make as thin jave as possible. The only trick here is that take a small portion, elongate in the manner which we have shown you, and then just put small portions of this on plate. Keep on rolling it. So friends, all our jave or sevaiya is ready. We have made these using half a cup of flour. So let me show you how much is this quantity after we have made sevaiya. So this is approximately half a cup. Now what you need to do is, you need to air dry this. Do not keep it in direct sunlight, simply keep it under fan for drying. It will take approximately 2 to 3 hours for complete drying. Friends, you need to ensure that these are completely dried so that it doesn't get infested. So dry it properly. Our handmade sevaiya are absolutely dry. Just see. So as I had mentioned earlier, no need to sun dry it. It will easily dry up just under fan at normal room temperature. However, in winters it might take more time to dry up. So friends, now in order to save and store the sevaiya for longer period of time, we need to dry roast it. We will be roasting it on low medium flame and keep on stirring in between to prevent over browning. Roasting sevaiya is a very important step in order to avoid any kind of infestation, because generally during humid temperatures it tends to get infested. Here you can see the sevia has turned little brownish in color and I'm also getting a nice aroma of it. After roasting, we'll allow it to cool down completely. This is also a very important step. You need to cool it down, bring it to room temperature before storing. It should be absolutely cool. So friends, now my sevia has cooled down completely. You can store it in an airtight container and it will stay good for as long as 2 to 3 years if you just put it in an airtight container. Now in order to prepare these sevia or vermicelli, you can prepare it just the way you make usual vermicelli. It can be salty like the sevia upma we make. I have already shared the video on my channel. You can check out the link in the description box below. Also, you can make these sevia sweet, the sweet vermicelli which we make using sugar. The most important thing you need to take care while cooking this is the amount of water. So if you are using 1 cup of these sevia or jave, then add double the quantity of water. So for 1 cup, add 2 cups of water. It will puff up nicely and it will taste simply great. I'm sure you will really like the taste of these handmade sevia. So friends, do try out making these handmade sevia, the homemade vermicelli at home, and I'm sure you will really like it. Do let me know how does it turn out for you. Friends, I hope you liked watching our today's video. Give us a thumbs up, share our videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadhai to watch more such healthy and interesting recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.